Yo, so Art just pulled up. We're supposed to go to Palm Springs today from Imperial Valley. What's up, dude? This fool sweating. You're gonna get hot.
It's like
yeah, we're gonna roll out.
Degrees.
Yup. 35? No.
That?
You said 35 degrees?
35 degrees. All right, let's go, dude.
Yeah, all right, dude. We out. This fool just spilled gas all over his shit too.
Right there.
It's all over the floor. Yeah, we'll be out. All right. Follow me. Market out here. All right, get something to drink. All right, I'm gonna get me red or blue. Let's go red. All right, some Powerade. Give me some powers. Oh, you got the same thing?
Coffee cutter. No, I got the free one.
Oh, okay.
But yours is there.
Oh, here.
You ain't poppin' till they hate you. Pop two, baby, I just had a breakthrough. Brand new, yeah, look at what the cake do. If you don't have it like that, why you acting like that? She walk in the suite like she's entitled. I was on.
This fool went inside the dirt. But right now, we're right next to the Salton Sea off the 76 highway. If you guys play Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas, there's a part where there's like nothing but hillbillies and shit like that. That's pretty much where we're at. But yeah, I thought this art was cool, so we wanted to stop by. I was gonna take pictures, but I didn't realize there was dirt everywhere. But that does look sick. What's up, dude? This fool went into the dirt. This fool's crazy. I couldn't do it. I didn't want to take my baby out there.
I almost regretted it.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Yeah, so I did end up putting my bike here anyways. I wanted to get a good picture of this. That looks sick. Yeah, it's all that. So I did end up doing it, but I'm gonna take the picture really quick and get out of here. Art has his bike set up. He's doing a little vlogging as well. I'll drop his channel on this afterwards. So that way, if you guys want to follow him, you guys could. Here, dude. Hey, ready? Yeah.
So hard to make them go cray. Can't live off a low wage. Tired of making no pay. I can't feel safe with no safe. Can't act like that makes it okay to sit on ass and just wait. Having fear don't mean you ain't brave. If you still push on when afraid. So tell me what you're hoping. You don't know but you know when. Yeah, figure out where you're going. Then you see all the omens. I might bend but you never see me broken. People doing what they can, just coping. What the top don't feel is the low end. Power's in our sights now. When we gon' get it right now. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Either you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. When we gon' get it right now. Right now. What you want? You got it. Making changes more than your pocket. market. It takes your heart and your logic. If you sell your soul, then who profits? Let spirit fly with no copy. If the movie starts, you can't stop it. Once your mind is open, can't lock it. Chains taking off just like a big rocket. In our sights now, when we gon' get it right now. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Either you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. When we gon' get it right now. When we gon' get it right now. How we gon' get it? Fight proud. If you ain't with it, pipe down. Either you in it or you out. Shine on when it's lights out. How we gon' get it? Fight proud.
All right, we just pulled up to Palm Springs. Here we are, about to go eat some pho. You hungry?
Starving, man.
Fusion, 5 Vietnamese. Oh, it's loud too? Fuck yeah. You got papaya salad for you.
Yeah, my favorite.
Got me some Laos style papaya salad, tamahong, and some noodles. Got Laos sausage. This one got pho. Well, this is pretty bomb, man. It has fish paste in it. This one couldn't hang. But it's bomb. Go ahead. That right there is a papaya salad, Laos style. It doesn't look like the typical one that I'm used to, because I'm used to the one with the bedak on it. Look at his face. You can't eat it, bro, but this is good to me. Now sausage, now jerky. Look at this one. This is sticky. Wow. Bomb. I love it. Jimmy B's. Uh-oh. Oh, those guys get some photos. Photo shoot. Keep walking or go straight across? Keep walking. Try one of these little taffy things. What is it? It's a taffy?
It's almond toffee with dark chocolate.
Tried it already, Art? I'm good.
It gets better. Yeah.
What the hell?
Not what you
You guys
expected.
know about the box?
We sell it by weight. So we started this half pound that goes for $25 in bite-sized pieces. And then from here we go 1 pound box.
Kind of melts in your mouth, it breaks apart. Walking back down. What the hell is this? For paintballing or what? What the hell? It's crazy. It's like post-apocalypse, dude. It's just nothing, right? It's nothing. Crazy. I'm also be chilling under the shade. Found a little kicking spot. This fool's over here taking pictures. Do you see him? Like,
Done.
it's the art museum, Palm Springs Art Museum. I wonder if it's open. Tickets? Oh, we'll ask this guy.
This is the intersection of science and art. They're all Southern California artists. It's in conjunction with the Getty and the...
Oh, weird. Look at that. Look at this guy, dude. Does he work here?
Yeah, it's the guy that helped us out earlier, dude. He was telling us about the museum.
This is art right there, dude. This is this fool. Look at this.
It's that intersection, dude.
This is yours, dude. And this fool's into it. Look. He likes it, dude. He likes that, dude. That's a big dog, see? The fuck? Those are real people. That's not even statues, dog. That was it for Palm Springs. We're gonna head back to the valley. That's El Central Valley, or the Imperial Valley, I mean. Yeah, it's been fun. I'll record it on the way back too, before we break off. But not even 5 minutes into the ride, we had to stop and get some water, get some gas. I was over there drinking. Bro, it was hot. It's like, what do you think it is, bro? Like 100 degrees?
cray. Can't live off a low wage. Tired of making no pay. I can't feel safe with no safe. Can't act like that makes it okay to sit on ass and just wait. Having fear don't mean you ain't brave if you still push on when afraid. So tell me what you're hoping. You don't know but you know when. Yeah, figure out where you're going.
All right, so we're over here at the Salton Sea. You can see that right there. That sign, it's the Salton Sea. Let me try to zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in on this. Yeah, Salton Sea right there. We're out here at the Salton Sea. We're on our way back and we just decided to stop by. Art let me borrow his 360 battery, because mine had died. But yeah, we're just gonna cruise down here just to check it out. I'm probably not gonna wear a helmet. Yeah, we're just gonna check it out, see what's good out here. Imperial Valley, and this fool wanted to grab a drink at the bar, so drink a little bit, and then after that head home. And we got some micheladas. And this from Art. All right, YouTube, that's a wrap. We're taking off. This fool got his food to bring back home. That's it. That's a wrap. Catch you on the next one. Peace.